keeping whispers unsaid. Children roam the streets, now opens a war. Bodies hanging in the streets to adore. Oil flames will call the pounding chaos, bringing daylight to the night. Death is riding into town with armor. They come to take all your lives. Out of the king, out of the world, kneel to the crown, stand in the sun, out of the king. Blood is spilled while holding keys to the throne. Born again, but it's too late to atone. No mercy from the edge of the blade. Dare escape and learn the price to be paid. Let the water flow with shades of red now. Arrows black out all the light. Death is riding into town with armor. They come to grant you your rights. Out of the king, out of the world, kneel to the crown, stand in the sun, out of the king. When the henchmen call, I am fist to tame them. I am fist to claim it all. Out of the key.